you have a mid-1970s or early 1980s Airstream, you probably have a Keeler lock on your main entry door. And if you have a Keeler lock on your main entry door, the door handle is probably cracking. That can be a problem if you want to get into your Airstream and it cracks and breaks off. So in this video we're going to show you how to replace the door handle on your Keeler lock.
First, remove the 3 screws from the inside door plate and remove the plate. Then, remove the 2 screws from the edge of the door. Remove the Keeler lock mechanism from the door. Next, there is a small spring under the door handle. We used a flathead screwdriver to remove the bottom end of the spring from the U-shaped groove that holds it in place. After the spring is removed, use a 1/4 inch punch to drive out the hinge pin. You won't have to remove the pin all the way. About 3/4 of the way is enough. Once you have driven the pin out far enough to remove the handle, slip the handle off and replace it with the new handle. Reinstall the spring. Next, drive the hinge rod back into place. There we go. Put the end of the spring back into its groove. We found that a screwdriver wouldn't do the job, but that a needle nose pliers worked well. Finally, reinstall the 5 screws that hold in the lock set and inside plate. Your new door handle is ready for service.